this is a resin bound driveway and patio, porcelain patio that we are doing over in Epsom. As you can see by the driveway has been based out. There are some building works going on here. We are going to put a border around the entire perimeter. We've got a beautiful porcelain step going in here. And then if I bring you down here, we've got a manhole here, we've got a gate going here. We have groundwork this out, we've already prepared it and dug it. We've got sleepers going around the edge, all the way down the outside, around there. We've got a lawn area here, we've got porcelain, we've installed drainage. We've got drainage we've got porcelain going down there. We're going to repoint this wall. We've got drainage going around here, and we have got porcelain going down this alleyway down here. So as you can see, I'm going to show you throughout the whole project what we're doing, what's happening, how it's going on. But we are ready to get our concrete base. So we're going to put a lean mix concrete base on top of this groundwork, ready for the porcelain. Then we can start laying porcelain and start getting this project completed and done. Thank you very much.
So we have got the concrete base down here. It's a lean mix which we have leveled and compacted into the groundwork against the levels. As you can see, the guys have started to get the paving down here. That wall's going to be pointed. You see this beautiful cotton white porcelain paving going down, being laid on sand cement. Each slab slurry backed so it adheres correctly to the sand cement mix. Guys are working down there against the drainage. So the topsoil is partially leveled. You can see the sleepers we put around the perimeter of the border, which is going to hold our new lawn in. We have got a lot of this cotton white down. There's a lot of cleaning to go and some cutting. You see this alleyway has been partially cut in, nearly ready for grouting. We've got some lights going in there as well. So those are the lights. They're going to be core drilled in. This topsoil, see how much topsoil we've got in there, about 200 mil clean topsoil. This is the permeable concrete, the lights installed. Look at these, they're illuminating the driveway, ready for the resin bound to go down. Now this porcelain step, look at that, amazing. The shapes, recessed manhole cover. This is all ready for grouting, just needs a really good clean. As we move around the back, you see that cutting around that gully, spot on, looks absolutely awesome. It's literally millimetre perfect. We come around, the lawn is down, and look at that, what a lush, green, beautiful lawn. Now core drilling these really dense porcelain slabs, look at that, absolute perfection. Those lights set in perfectly will give absolutely awesome lighting to this project. Again, the lawn looking fantastic, look at that. Wall pointed, rustic finish, just to make it look, give it that little bit of traditional look to it. So as you will have seen in previous videos, we're ready to go with the resin. It's all stacked out, the kit's stacked out as they should be, ready to go, edges taped up. So as you can see, the new furniture's arrived. That's going on the patio. It's all grouted now, and the back is looking absolutely fantastic. Many a summer day out here enjoying this amazing lawn, patio space, seating area, and this alleyway that leads on to the front. Now the resin is going down, being troweled in to 18 to 20 mil. Absolutely awesome blend this. This is Vuba resin, the best on the market. So important with these projects: preparation, taping up the edges, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. As you can see, this resin's going down lovely. We're working across the driveway. It's a hot day, so we've got to work really quick with it, and look at this finish. Looks absolutely awesome.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. I really hope you like what you see in this absolutely phenomenal resin bound porcelain lawn, sleepers, lighting, drainage. This job's got it all, and this is a perfect, absolutely perfect example of the kind of work that we do. We've got beautiful recessed manhole cover, don't even notice it over there. We've got the porcelain step, we've got fencing with gate, we've got sleeper work, and we've designed this ourselves, worked alongside the client, and it has been a process. These jobs are a process. But we got there in the end. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, please like, please share, please get in contact via the website, via Instagram, via Facebook, via YouTube. Leave comments, let us know about what you think about the installation. Thanks for watching. We're going to see you on the next video. We've got something good for you then. Let's see you soon.